Hello guys, and this is more limb acting ringtones. Let's see the first one, reflection default. This is a classic, so I'll give it a 6 out of 10. That is like a man that is twerking, not gonna lie. 4 out of 10. Oh my god, 0 out of 10 though. Wait, this is kind of groovy. Alright. No, 0 out of 10. Wait, this is my iCloud, bro. Editor, blur my icon. Blood my iCloud. Blood. Do not show the iCloud, please. No, this is nah. The next one is my ringtone. Almost kind of so chill. Yeah, I can use a beat of this. What is journey, bro? Alright. Mercury. Where's that? Oh, Milky Way, bro. The chocolate? Alright. What is that? That's some beeps. Now we are moving to the classic. Now the alarms so classic. Epics. We know how dark it is. Ooh, this is the OG, bro. If you use this, you're an idiot. I'm sorry. It's so dumb, bro. Now I'm using this. Alright. Constellation. Alright. Cosmic. Perfect. This is it, right? Yeah. Now this is a classic. Classic. No, this is a classic, bro. Oh. Now I'll use this. Boom, boom. Ooh, classic. Right here, it's. No one will use that in their life. Now, who put this iPhone? No one will use that. You're so nerd. Bro, like John Cheese says. What? Alright. Classic. Yeah, and those are all of this what can I say, the ringtones. I hope you like this. If you need more of these, like and subscribe at my second channel, and more Liam. It's out. Bye.